Roblox regional pricing is missing, but we're fixing it right now. This guide shows you exactly how to get regional pricing back in Roblox for 2026 so you can see the correct prices for everything. First, we need to confirm your account's region settings. This is crucial because Roblox uses this to determine your local pricing. If that doesn't immediately restore the pricing, the issue often lies with temporary data, which means we move to clearing your Roblox cache files. This process removes any corrupted temporary information that might be interfering with the pricing display. Should the problem persist, it's vital to ensure you have the latest Roblox application version installed, as outdated versions can cause various glitches, including pricing errors. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, we'll investigate your payment method region to ensure it aligns with your account's country, as discrepancies here can sometimes affect how regional pricing is displayed. We're talking about simple, actionable steps that unlock correct pricing for all your Roblox purchases.